this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to week 14 of 52 weeks of using up scraps. And this week I decided to make some paper clips, some double-sided paper clips. And so they all have the spring gratitude look to it because I'm going to add these to my journal. So this one has like a little lemonade kind of feel to it. It's a little cup and straw, and then on this side it just says "so happy." And then, you know, it's the hidden paper clip, so you can just slide it into something. And then here's another one. That's gratitude. And I just have some old book pages and some more scraps and things and embellishments that I fussy cut out from previous projects. And then once again, here's another one. And it just has blessed. And some of the images that I used, like the cup and lemon and this little Brad and this little like flower, those come from a freebie kit on my blog. It's the Pixel Scrapper blog, April 2021 blog train, and I'll have a link in the description where you can get it. And so yeah, I just added some more scraps and book pages and sheet music and things like that. So the way it works, you just simply grab your journal and just put it on a page like so. Like it can come in, like open it up a little bit. Hopefully I didn't glue it together. Okay, so it can come in sideways. Well, in this particular instance, I would have it either go over the top and slide down, or it can come over to the side. I would have this probably come over from the left side and slide on to here. You know. And then they can clip things together. Let me put this in frame. You can clip things together or just use it as a embellishment or something. Like this one, so happy. You can just have it come over the top. You know. And then this one, and just have it come in from the side or the top, however you want to use it, you know, because these are all good for, you know, storing stuff or keeping your stuff together. But yeah, that's how you can use it. So let me show you how I made it, and I hope this video will be helpful. This is nothing new, it's already been made, but this was just my little take on it. So let me show you how I made it. Okay, so I have some scrap papers and some different shapes and things like that, and I'm going to cut some of them out. Some of them are vellum, some of them are cardstock from previous projects. And then I've just got, you know, some scrap paper, old book pages, sheet music and stuff like that. So, and then I've got my paper clips, my glue, art glitter glue, and I also have some double-sided tape, and that's going to be used in combination with the art glitter glue to hold down the paper clip onto the surface. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these out, and then we're going to construct some stuff. Okay, so I cut those out. So now what I'm going to do is basically, I have some leftover manila envelope, paper from manila envelope. So I'm just going to cut it down. And I'm probably just going to make 4 paper clips today. So, and some are going to be like 1 inch, some are going to be 2 inches. Just different sizes. Yeah, I think I'll make two 2 inches and two 1 inches. Make this 1 inch. Or 1.5 inches. Yeah. 2 1.5 inches and two 2 inches. Okay, and then basically, I'm gonna take my paper clips out. And you can use any size. These are just some of the smaller paper clips. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold this over and place it in the center. I'm going to do that to all of these. So for the big end, that's the side that I'm going to glue down. So I'm just going to take my double-sided tape and my scissors. And I'm going to put a vertical, well actually I'm going to put a horizontal strip across it. And then I'm just going to make sure that it's glued down really well. I'm just going to take the other side of the double-sided tape off of it, of each one of them. And then I'm going to add some more glue around it, because I want to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. I'm just going to fold this in half. So I'm going to have two pieces with the same type paper. I'm going to fold this in half. And then I'm going to place this over top. And it's a coincidence that this just happens to be the same size. It's absolutely coincidental that it just happens to be the same size. Like width-wise. And I'm just going to glue this down. And you can test it out by sticking it on something. Let me see. So, and it'll still hold without showing any portions of the paper clip. So we're just going to decorate some of these. I'm just going to go ahead and add glue to all of these. I just leave both of these the same color. so now I want to decorate some of it. And you can do this before or after, however you want to do it. So I'm just going to take some old book pages and I want to collage it onto here. And I'm just going to take some color box archival brown ink, and I'm just going to go ahead and go around these edges. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of these. And this might be a little too big. So let's see what we have. Have like a little button. Put that on there. And we got this. So I have some more fussy cutout shapes that I'm going to use. And like I said, these are from previous projects. To be precise, these are from, it's a digital freebie kit that it's part of a Pixel Scrapper blog train, and I'll have a link in the description where you can get these from. But I made some of these and I placed it on my blog as far as like what I use and how I made them and stuff. So I'm just going to add some of these on here. So this is pretty much it. It has a spring theme, a gratitude theme. So yeah, so all you needed was just basically some scrap papers, maybe some sentiments and some embellishments and things like that, some glue, scissors, maybe some distress inks, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and please check out my other videos, my social media sites, my blog, and once again, thanks for watching.